English verbs are very easy to understand if we know that every verb has do. This is similar to math, where every number equals 1 times itself. 5 is equal to 1 times 5. This is true of every number. The 1 is there whether we write it or not. Sometimes we write the 1, sometimes we do not. It all depends on the situation. In English, every verb has a do, just how every number has a 1. Sometimes we use the do, other times we do not. Eat, for example, is the same as do eat. Sometimes we can say eat, sometimes we can say do eat. Do not eat already has the do. Technically, we don't add the word do when we say do not eat. Do is already there. The only word we add is not. Of course, this is because not requires the do. So we have the choice eat or do eat, but to say not, we can only say do not eat. As a question, do you eat? The sentence would be you do eat or I do eat, but we reverse the do and the you so that they can become a question. The do is already there. We just don't use it in most statements, but the question requires it. Yes, I eat or I do eat, or no, I do not eat. Of course, I'm not sure how long you'd live. I like this. I do like this. We will use the word do for emphasis. This means that I like this very much. The do is already there in both situations, but when we say it, it adds emphasis, because with English, more words, one way or another, is more serious. Similarly with the past tense, did eat is the same as ate. When you're studying verbs, do not study words to think of present tense and past tense. Do not think eat is present tense and ate is past tense. Rather, think did eat is the same as ate. What is ate? It's did eat. It's easier to see this connection if we use a regular verb that adds ed at the end. Did walk is equal to walked. The D is there at the end of walked. That D actually came from did. The ed at the end of walked is the did. Walked is did and walk together. Now you can understand how every verb has do. Your English will be much easier. I do hope so.